Hello, good day everyone. Today I will show you my video presentation talk about cacao. And now may I start my video recording. What is cacao? Cacao is scientific name to Broma cacao. Common name cacao and local name is cacao in Tagalog. Belong to the family Malvaceae. Origin of cacao or cocoa. The cacao tree, a native of the Amazon rainforest, was first domesticated at least 5,300 years ago in equatorial South America from the Santa Ana, La Florida or SELF site in what is presently southeast Ecuador, Zamora Sunshine province by the Mayo Sunshine culture before being introduced in Mesoamerica. So, ang cocoa daw is the origin siya, gikan siya sa Amazon rainforest in 5,300 years ago before siya na introduced in Mesoamerica. So, it is originated from Amazon rainforest in South America from Santa Ana, La Florida or SELF. Now, let's proceed the description of cacao. Description. Flower. The flowers are produced in clusters directly on the trunk and older branches. This is known as cauliflower. The flowers are small, 1 to 2 cm in diameter with pink calyx. While many of the world's flowers are pollinated by bees, Hymenoptera or butterflies, moths, Lepidoptera, cacao flowers are pollinated by tiny flies or Porcupomera. Biting mites using the natural pollinator Forcipomea mites produce more than using artificial pollinators. So, ang natural pollinators daw ay nagsasabi na mas maraming maproduce kaysa artificial pollinators. So, fruit. The fruit called cacao pod is avoid 15 to 30 cm, 6 to 12 in long and 8 to 10 cm, 3 to 4 in wide. So, ripening yellow to orange. And weighs about 500 grams 1 lb when ripe. The pod contains 20 to 60 seeds, usually called beans, embedded in a white pulp. So, ang fruits in the cacao is there have pods of 60 to 20 to 60 seeds, depending on the varieties of the cacao. So, di siya muli sa 20 to 60. So, magdepende na lang siya sa kung ano ang variety ng cacao na iyong itananim. So, let's proceed the varieties of cocoa. There are 3 major cultivar groups being grown in the Philippines by farmers. These are the Criollo, Forastero, and Trinitario cultivars. The Philippines has the ability to grow all of the 3 main cocoa bean types. So, these are the 3 types of cocoa. The picture, this is the Criollo, number 1, the second, the Forastero, and the third, Trinitario. Based on my research, in these 3 types of cocoa, the Criollo is have the much produce yield of the cocoa. And now, let's proceed to the cultivation. So, the cultivation, cocoa beans are grown by large agro-industrial plantation and small producers. The bulk of production coming from millions of farmers with small plots. A tree begins to bear when it is 4 or 5 years old. A mature tree may have 6,000 flowers in a year, yet only about 20 pods. About 1,200 seeds, 40 pods are required to produce 1 kilogram, 2.2 lb of cocoa a piece. Historically, chocolate makers have recognized 3 main cultivar groups of cacao beans used to make cocoa and chocolate. Forasterio, Coronario, and the Trinario. So next, the diseases and control of cocoa. So cocoa production faces various diseases, with black pod disease caused by Phytophthora spp, being the most significant and widespread. Other notable diseases include witch's broom, caused by Moniloptura perniciosa, and cocoa swollen shoot virus or CSSB. So, control measure range from integrated pest management or the IPM, strategies, sanitation, and pruning to the use of resistant varieties and, in some cases, pesticide. So, we use to IPM to control the diseases of cocoa, and sometimes we use pesticide or insecticides. And now, products of cocoa. So the products of cocoa from the processed cocoa bean comes the fluid piece or liqueur, from which cocoa powder and chocolate are made. Chocolate is sold directly to the consumer as solid bars of eating chocolate, as packaged cocoa, and as baking chocolate. So these are the picture of products of the cocoa. So machineries of cocoa product. And this is the machineries of cocoa product. First, the advanced cocoa processing machinery, a comprehensive, and the automatic cocoa processing machine, cocoa powder. And next, the nutritive value of cocoa. So, cocoa is a good source of several essential nutrients, including fiber, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. It also contains various antioxidants such as flavonoids, which are beneficial for overall health. Detailed nutritive value of cocoa. Fiber. Cocoa is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Minerals. It's rich in minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, which are important for various bodily functions. Antioxidants. Cocoa contains high levels of polyphenols, particularly flavonols, catechins, epicatechins, and procyanidins, which have antioxidant properties. And the other nutrients, it also contains proteins and carbohydrates, including sugars like glucose, sucrose, and fructose. Potential benefits. Studies suggest that cocoa antioxidants may help reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. So note, while cocoa offers numerous benefits, it's also important to be mindful of added sugars and unhealthy fats in cocoa-based products such as chocolate. So next, the top producer of cocoa. The top cacao producer in the Philippines is the Davao region. It consistently produces the highest quantity of cacao in the country, accounting for a significant share of the national total. Here's more detailed breakdown. First, the Davao region. This region is specially recognized as the cacao capital of the Philippines. So, Davao City. Within the Davao region, Davao City is declared the chocolate capital of the Philippines. Production in 2023, Davao region produced 1.67 thousand metric tons of cacao, representing 71.2% of the country total cacao production during that period. So that's all. Thank you for listening, and God bless us all.